Space Patroller Jack Nars reporting on the Lunar Fleet Base. Here it is, gang, the full-color base of the fleet base built on the moon by Space Patrol. Now, listen, gang, this is the last chance you have to get it. Yes, today is the last time we can offer this big, beautiful, full-color model of the base built on the moon.
Working all my life for you and your crew, Commander. I'm obliged to you for fishing me out of the big nothing.
The big nothing?
Space, my boy. Nothing out there, and it's mighty big. I think the time I was trying my luck prospecting in the asteroid there. That's the case of human nature.
You seem to have made quite a study of human nature, Captain Fish.
Human nature.
About them, Commander? Are you still worried about the aliens, those foremen starting a war with the United Planets?
An aggressive civilization is always a threat, Happy, but I'm more concerned about the foremen infiltrating a few at a time than I am about open warfare.
I understand they look just like we do, Commander.
That's what'll make it so difficult to recognize them. They can be all around us before we even know it.
I'm gonna have to kill you, regretfully.
Kill us.
Yes, but not until the money gets here.
You won't get away with it, you know. As soon as we get back to Terra, we'll have every space patrol unit in the universe on your necks.
It's just human nature, my boy. Yes.
Human nature. Like a miniature city. And talk about big. Why, this model covers a 6-square-foot area. Putting it together is easy. So easy, it's fun. But, gang, you have to move fast to get yourself the Lunar Fleet Base. Today is positively the last time we can make this sensational offer. And, hey, gang, here's one of the 30 wonderful pieces you get with it. An almost foot-long model of Buzz Corey's rocket ship. Why, rig it on a thread and you can sail it from one end of a room to the other.